Caterpillar AccuGrade Cross Slope improves productivity for truck fleets by continuous improvement to haul road consistency. Support equipment like motor graders or wheel dozers should be used continually to maintain cross slopes, remove spills, and to fill and smooth surface depressions as they occur. Efficiency in use comes from making the support equipment as effective as possible. AccuGrade Cross Slope for Caterpillar mining motor graders can help the operator in these main categories: ease of use, productivity, safety. In this example of ease of use, the operator uses the indicators to properly determine the required crown in this section of road. As the road becomes closer to the desired grade with subsequent passes, the operator can automate the heel of the blade and concentrate on the grade matching on the toe of the blade. His attention is now focused, and proper height and road profile are more accurate when attention is not split between both sides of the blade. Productivity is increased for the motor grader by shaping the road in the most effective manner. Because the cross slope system can display the existing cross slope, the operator can make an informed choice if a crown or a super elevation is high or low, and move material in the right direction to lower or raise that part of the roadway. Operators on other shifts can also consistently work towards achieving that same target. Traffic safety is controlled by consistent road surfaces and by controlling the design of the road for given truck needs. Daily road maintenance is an integral part of the overall operating cost for haulage fleets, and AccuGrade makes this maintenance and road repair more effective. Maintenance consists of watering, grading, and compacting the wear course to maintain an appropriate surface profile. There are three main concerns for haul road maintenance: roughness, drainage, and the geometry of straight sections and corners. AccuGrade Cross Slope uses a Caterpillar machine electronic controller, the machine hydraulic system, and Caterpillar position sensors to target a desired road cross slope and inform the operator of the current road condition. The operator can also choose to automate one side of the blade, and the machine will hold that side of the blade to the target cross slope while the operator controls the elevation on the other side. Normal practice is to let the machine control cross slope on the heel of the blade while the operator controls road profile on the toe of the blade. Washboards, bumps, and potholes generate impact forces transferred through the tires to the truck's suspension, frame, and powertrain. These forces are proportional to the gross vehicle weight and grow exponentially with truck speed, making this especially critical for today's larger, faster trucks. The highest 10% of impact forces do much more cumulative damage than the lowest 90%. This reduces tire life, increases tire costs, increases metal fatigue and maintenance costs, and shortens truck life. Maintaining the proper haul road profile can reduce washboarding and potholes created from inconsistent road surfaces. The roadbed must be able to adequately carry away maximum expected rainfall with a minimum of puddling, potholing, or entry of water into the road subbase. Cross slope should range from 2 to 4% slope. A constant crossfall ensures that water is directed to ditches whenever rain falls. This keeps the road dry and keeps rolling resistance to a minimum. In practice, a 5% increase in rolling resistance can result in up to a 10% decrease in production and a 35% increase in production costs. Proper provisions of drainage should be made to enable removal of water from the road to the sides. Proper crowning helps. AccuGrade Cross Slope can target the desired crown and super elevations and keep all operators working towards achieving these same targets. It is also important not to create too steep of a crown as the truckload transfers to the outside of the roadway. This curve is an example of how load percentages increase when trucks travel on a crown or crossfall. Note that the values will change depending on placement of load in the body. It is advised to keep the crown within 3 degrees to allow water drainage and keep tire life shortfall to a minimum. If haul units consistently use the same path in the respective haul lanes, the concentrated load will eventually wear ruts or furrows. Running a tire on a rutted road can cut the sidewall and put stress on the carcass when entering and leaving the rut. Once in the rut, a tire will wear unevenly due to surfaces variations. Drivers should be encouraged to use different areas within the haul lane to avoid this. It may also be advantageous to design a haul road differently on the loaded and unloaded side of the roadway. Because of added stress to the truck tires and frame from loading, the unloaded side can generally use a steeper crown and higher speed corners than the loaded side. The versatility of the AccuGrade system allows for targeting different cross slopes that are customizable for variations in road conditions. With each mine haulage problem, the key is consistency in targeting the best practices for that unique road and fleet. By properly controlling these factors, a mine production crew can optimize machine productivity, minimize impact on major components, maximize tire life, maximize haul road life, improve operational safety. By using a Caterpillar AccuGrade system on Caterpillar motor graders, the haulage road becomes consistently more controlled and fleet efficiency is improved.